So, in our today's topic, we will discuss a very, uh, like general problem which we can face in our day-to-day work. Okay, as you can see on my screen, I have a table wherein you can see some dates, name of a resource, the account number she has processed, she has taken different actions on these account numbers, and the balance. Okay, now the problem is I need to report out the count of account number she has processed on a particular day. But since we have uh, like duplicate values here, so if I will try applying a pivot table over it. Okay, so let's say I am saying pivot table and I am just doing this, and I want to say Ankita Sharma, Anika Sharma has like these are the account numbers she has processed, and if I take the count of these account numbers here, so my pivot table is depicting she has processed 42 entries here. Actually, if you will have a look, there are 42 entries, line items. Okay, now, but there is no uniqueness. Actually, it is saying this is 6 times, this is 6 times. Okay, this could be the one where we have some only one line item, but either you are finding 6 or 5. So there are multiple duplicate entries. How we can solve such kind of problem? Is it like this? Let's say I am saying unique. um, okay. Now if I will do this manually, let's say this is one, then this is one, then this is also one, then I'm saying this is one, and then this is one, like this. As of now, I only have 40 and 42 entries. Let's suppose if you have 42,000 entries here, then by doing this, it will take ages to, you know, to solve such kind of problem. In this case, what formula you will use here to tackle such a situation? Okay, I have a very, simple formula here, which is based on an if statement. We will use this, and by using that, we can solve our problem. So I am saying if okay, whenever you get such kind of data, by this method you can solve your problem. So first of all, if I am using if, so I am giving the reference of C1, wherein I have a header. Okay, I am saying if this is means if it does not equal to this one, C1 does not equal to C2, means my header is not equal to C2, the value which is given on C2. So in this case, what result I am expecting is, so I am expecting here unique. Okay, unique. Let's say not this is unique. I am saying 1, else 0. 1 means this is unique. Otherwise, that is 0 means those are duplicate values. And you can, if you do not want to, uh, get your output like 1 or 0, so you can choose unique or duplicate and something as per your choice. Okay, so I am just hitting enter. I have got one here. Let me just try to drag this till here. So wherever you are seeing, it is giving me 1. It means that's where my account number is getting changed. Now these two are duplicates, so it is returning me 0. Now I can simply drag this out. I have got my result. Now what you can do, and you can verify it anywhere. If I am choosing this, so you can see it was 1 here because the unique value was here, but wherever it is this account number is getting changed, it is again giving me one else 0. So we can now simply put this value into our filter. I am going here, I am changing the source range of my pivot table to till here. Okay, let me do this once again. So this is the entire range. Now what I can do is, I have got this particular value which is unique account number. I will put this into my filter, and in place of 0 I will choose this one only. And if I hit OK now you can see she has processed only 15. Now it is again giving me the count as 2. So let me just okay, so wherever, okay, so it is saying 598 is still two times here, so maybe let me just check that. Okay, actually, if you will have there are some anomalies in this data. If I will sort this out, okay, now you can see wherever, actually, it was not sorted earlier. So these are the account number. Now after sorting this, and it is giving me the right output. So if you will just refresh your pivot at this point in time, you will get your result very correctly. Can you see everything is 11111, and she has processed only 8 cases here. If I would like to use only one here which are unique, so these are the unique claims she has done on a particular day. Guys, this is a very important topic. If you will, if you are getting stuck somewhere in such kind of situation, just use this formula, it will solve your problem. It is a very simple formula, but it it gives you a good result. And if you have really got stuck in such a situation earlier, so and how you had tackled that situation, you can correlate here. And if you think you have found this video valuable or useful, then please like, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. As of now, I am signing